Let's finally tie everything together and bring your website to life. Go to Appearance, then Customize. This is where you'll spend a good amount of time because this is where your site's design lives. Once you've clicked on Customize, on the left, you'll see a simple menu. Let's walk through the most important parts step by step. Click Colors and Fonts. Here, you can change your site's color palette. For example, let's pick the third palette. Choose your fonts. For example, let's select Inter for body text and Intertight for headings. Adjust font sizes and weights. Always think about mobile. Something that looks great on desktop might be too big or too crowded on a phone, and most people visit websites on mobile. You can also customize button colors, button text colors, button borders and outlines. For example, let's change this button's background color, text color, and add a border. Once you're happy, click Publish to save. Customizing individual pages. You can also customize specific pages. For example, if your About or Services page doesn't look right, open the page, click Customize at the top, go to Colors and Fonts arrow, Typography, adjust text size, heading styles, font weight, and colors. This lets you fine-tune each page while keeping the rest of your site consistent. Now let's go to Header. This controls your logo, your navigation menu, your call to action button. If you want the menu first, logo in the middle, and button on the right, just drag and rearrange them. You can also change the header background color, adjust spacing and layout. Just click the settings icon on the header bar and customize from there. Next, go to Footer. The footer controls everything at the bottom of your site: text, social icons, background color, layout. Let's remove the theme credits. Done. You can add or remove social media icons. Click Set Link to add your actual social profiles. Add widgets, for example, your logo at the bottom. To add a widget, drag it into a footer section, edit it, upload your logo or image, adjust size as needed. Now let's check General. This section controls things like content max width, how wide your site appears; content spacing, how much space appears between sections. The General section is best left mostly unchanged unless you know what you're doing. The default settings work very well. Go to Site Identity. Here you can change your site icon, the small icon shown in browser tabs, upload or remove it anytime. Let's remove it. Click on Remove, then Publish. Hit Refresh. It's gone. Now let's add it back. Back to Appearance, then Customize, select Site Icon, choose Icon, then Publish. Hit Refresh. It's back. You can also upload your logo. Choose whether to show logo only, logo plus site title, logo plus tagline. If you don't have a logo yet, you can create one on Canva and upload it here. Now let's go to Posts and Pages Layout. Since we're looking at a blog post, go to Single Post Layout. Here you control whether the post title shows, whether categories, author name, and publish date appear, where the featured image appears, above the text, behind the title, or below. You can choose between full width layout, less clean, narrow layout, more readable and professional. You can also turn sidebars on or off, choose boxed or unboxed content, add or remove vertical spacing. Final tips. It's almost always best to start with the template's default settings, then make small tweaks to match your style. And always, check how your site looks on mobile. In Chrome, right-click arrow, inspect arrow. Use device view to preview your site on different screen sizes. Have fun designing your website. Catch you in the next lesson.